Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to download all media shortcut in your iPhone. To download this, first of all, open any browser you have in your device, then search for theme point, then click the themepoint.net. Then on the top right corner, you will see three lines. Click on that and select iOS shortcuts. From there, scroll down, you will see all media shortcut in iPhone. Select that. Scroll down and then click on the install shortcut. Open your shortcut. It will take some time. Then select setup shortcuts and hit on next. Then select add shortcut. If you go in your home page or automation shortcuts, then you will see if it has been downloaded. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.